Academy Presents, where we highlight the special people, projects, and events at Scholars Academy right here in Rockaway Park, Queens. My name is Christy Khan, and today our special guest is Paige Humphrey, who is going to talk to us about her experience singing in South Carolina. Welcome, Paige.
Hi, Christy.
I've heard that you have a clip of this, and we'd like to view it.
Okay.
That's good in here. All right, you ready? You're going to sing in Acapulco, right? All right. Acapella. Okay,
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay your stuff bare. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help but feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat.
That was wonderful singing, Paige.
Thank you, Christy.
So, how did you feel when you were singing on stage?
I was very happy because I knew that there weren't many people that I knew there, but I knew that the people there that I knew were supporting me when I was singing. And it was nice to have the crowd behind me clapping and kind of supporting me.
So, was it your first time, or was it, like, new?
Well, I've been performing since I was in first grade, or like around 6 years old. So it was kind of something that I did a lot, and I love to perform. So it's just something I like to do.
Oh, well, is that like your first live performance in front of like people that you don't know?
Well, I used to go to local theater companies, and I would do productions there, and I knew most of the people that were there. So I never really got that nervous. But this time I had a little bit of nerves because I didn't really know anyone there except for maybe 4 or 5 people in the crowd.
So, where were you?
I was in South Carolina with my family at in Hilton Head, and they have a bunch of resorts there. So we were at the Disney resort, and we walked across a small dock, and we found this place where they had a showing for kids that, like, it was kind of a fun little thing to do. So at the end of the thing, he was asking kids to come up on stage, and he said they could have one more, and he called me up, and I decided to sing "Rolling in the Deep" by Adele.
How did you decide to sing that song?
Well, Adele was just becoming big at the time, and I really liked her music. It just like, there's something about it that I love to sing her kind of. It kind of suits my voice, I guess. And I decided to sing that because it was one of my favorite songs at the time.
So, would you like to sing for us today?
Sure.
Go ahead.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fevered pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay your stuff bare. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fevered pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat.
It was great to hear your voice live, Paige.
Thanks.
That's all for today. Please join us next time on Scholars Academy Presents. Goodbye for now.